Hello everybody, Jonathan Rayo here with Simplified Guitar, and in this lesson, I'm going to be teaching you how to play the song There's Nothing That Our God Can't Do by Kristian Stanfill. This song was requested by patron Danette Carpenter. Thank you, Danette, for your song request. Now, what I'm going to do first is play all the way through the song for you, and then at the end, I'll break it down and explain it in more detail. So make sure to stick around for that. For now, let's go ahead and play through the song. Just one word, you calm the storm that surrounds me. Just one word, the darkness has to retreat. Just one touch, I feel the presence of heaven. Just one touch, my eyes can open to see. My heart can't help but believe. There's nothing that our God can't do. There's not a mountain that He can't move. Oh, praise the name that makes a way. There's nothing that our God can't do. Just one word, you heal what's broken inside me. Just one word, and you revive every dream. Just one touch, I feel the power of heaven. Just one touch, my eyes were open to see. My heart can't help but believe. There's nothing that our God can't do. There's not a mountain that He can't move. Oh, praise the name that makes a way. There's nothing that our God can't do. Oh, there's nothing that our God can't do. It's not a prison wall He can't break through. Oh, praise the name that makes a way. There's nothing that our God can't do. For greater things, there's no power like the power of Jesus. Let faith arise, let all agree. There's no power like the power of Jesus. I will believe for greater things. There's no power like the power of Jesus. Let faith arise, let all agree. There's no power like His power. There's nothing that our God can't do. There's not a word He can't move. Oh, praise the name that makes a way. There's nothing that our God can't do. Oh, there's nothing that our God can't do. There's not a prison wall He can't break through. Oh, praise the name that makes a way. There's nothing that our God can't do. Oh, 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 oh. There's nothing, there's nothing, there's nothing. There's nothing. Oh, 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 oh. There's nothing that our God can't do. All right, now before I break this song down, if you would like to check out the chord chart for this song, you can click right up there to head over to my Patreon page. Now, for this song, we're going to be playing in the key of C. So we've got the C chord, and we have an F over C as well. And this is a great F alternative in the C chord family. You don't have to bar anything. So that's the F we're going to be using, F over C. And that's what's going to be primary for the verses, just going back and forth between that C and the F over C. And then towards the end of the verse, we have an A minor 7, which looks just like a C. We're just going to remove our third finger. Okay. And then from there, we go to a G chord. And for this, I'm going to be using this G with my second, third, and fourth finger. Okay. So I'm using my second and third to make this shape on the A and E string. And the reason is because it's going to make transitioning inside the C chord family a lot easier, because to go from this G back to a C, I just got to move these two fingers down a string each and remove my third finger or my fourth finger, put my first finger down. Same thing going back from C to that G. Just got to move those two fingers up. So it's a much easier G inside the C chord family than trying to go to this one with your first, second, third, or first, second, third, and fourth, okay? So a lot of times we choose chords that fit better inside the family to make transitions easier. So I highly recommend that you learn this G, even if you know another G. Learn this one for the C chord family. It's going to pay off in the future. Okay, and yeah, that's it for this song. So it's just going to be 4 chords: C, F, A minor, and G for the whole song. For the strum pattern, we're going to be using what's called the universal pattern. This is a very common strum pattern, especially in upbeat praise songs. It's used very, very often, so it's a good one to learn. It's a little difficult because we are going to be eliminating some down strums and throwing in some up strums instead, okay? So that's what's going to make this a little bit challenging. But the pattern is going to be 8 beats long, okay? And the best way to think about it is to think about how it sounds. And what I'm going to do is play it by itself, and I'm going to count down, up, down. I'm going to count the down strums and the up strums. Okay, that's the best way to kind of hear it. Okay, so I'm just going to mute my strings, and what we have is down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, and that's how the pattern sounds: down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Now, what's very important for you to realize here is you'll notice that my hand is constantly moving to the tempo. Okay, so even if I'm not strumming down on beat 2 and 3, for instance, or beat 5 and 6, I'm not strumming on that down strum, but I'm still letting my hand move to that tempo. Okay, even if my pick isn't hitting the strings. And that's because I want to keep my tempo consistent. And so that's why I'm always moving my hand to the beat, even though I'm not strumming on 2 and 3 and 5 and 6, okay? It's very important because what you don't want to happen is you end up playing like this: down, up, down, up, down, up, down, okay? You don't want to move like that. It's very rigid. There's no rhythm going on there, and then you're going to get thrown off as you try to fit something like that inside of a song while you're singing. So you want to keep your hand moving to the beat. And the best way to do that is probably to set a metronome. Set a metronome while you're practicing to something really slow. And always keep that hand, your hand should always be moving down on every click, okay? Even if you're not strumming. Remember that the up strums are going to come between clicks. Down strums always come on clicks. Up strums always come between the clicks. Okay, so even if your hand's not hitting a down strum, it should still be moving down on those clicks of the metronome. Okay, so just keep that in mind and practice this strum pattern by itself. Just keep those strings muted. Count those beats out loud, like I was doing: down, up, down, up, down, up, down, and practice that strum pattern like that until you have it set to memory before you try to apply it to this song. Okay. Yeah, and that's going to be it. That's definitely going to be the hardest part of this song, is going to be that strum pattern.
But once you get it, this strum pattern can be applied to a lot of songs. Okay, and yeah, that's it. Very, very, in terms of chord progressions, it's an easy song. We've got two, C is held for 2 measures, F is held for 2 measures. There's nothing in here that's held for half a measure or something weird like that. So that's going to make your transitions easier and memorizing the progression a lot easier as well. Okay, if you do have any questions about playing the song, feel free to post your questions in the comment section of this post on my Patreon page. Again, you can check that out right up there in the corner or down below in the description. And I look forward to seeing you in the next lesson. Take care.